Hi students. Okay, so आज है ना okay today I'll be doing fourth module sum. Okay, I have did many sums of third module. Okay, but I thought I'll complete fourth module as well and then continue with the remaining kind of a revision sums, whatever sums I get from previous years and whatever it is. Okay, but I want to teach you fourth module sums भी. ठीक है, third module we have done enough combination. If whatever kind of a sum will be coming in exam, you can at least attempt it. Okay, or at least solve half of it if you don't know what to do exactly. But these are the type of sums which I have done. Okay, तो मतलब at least अगर 20 marks का sum है तो at least 10 to 15 marks you can score. Okay, if you don't get something right or you do any silly mistake, तो भी तो but fourth module का कुछ भी नहीं किया. So I thought I'll start with fourth module today. Fourth module के sums. Fourth module is the sums are lengthy but they are almost same, all the sums, because there is a format. In that same format you have to follow all the sums. ठीक है, थोड़ा बड़े होते हैं सम्स, एक 3-4, it goes to 3-4 pages, just like in banking and financial services leasing problem was like that, very big, but more or less there was some minor differences in the sums itself. ठीक है, तो I'll do one sum today. Okay, अच्छा, before that so this the fourth module, in theory I have uh, given this PDF for you as a notes. So in the last 2 pages or last 3-4 pages, okay, this is there. Okay, last 3-4 pages, this is there, accounting entries used in the problems. Okay, this will not come for theory, this was given for reference for the problems itself. Okay, so journal entries in the books of transferor company. Okay, the person, the target company. Okay, the company which is giving the company to the acquirer. ठीक है, ले लो करके, तो it is giving the company. So in that case we call it as a target company. So target company का journal entries का it will be this, in this format. Okay, as I do the sum, I'll explain. Then journal entries in the books of transferee company, those who is take, the person who is taking. Okay, the acquirer company, उसका ऐसा आएगा. Okay, the one important thing is the beginning. This is one new thing, realization account. Realization account will be made in the books of, in the journal entries of the target company itself. Okay, because when the assets and liabilities are getting transferred from the target company to the acquiring company, the liabilities and the assets will be treated differently. Okay, so we will start the entries in the books or the journal entries using realization account in the beginning itself. So realization account से आगे का start होगा. Okay, ये सब आगे आगे जो भी होगा I'll explain it in the sum. And for the transferee company, मतलब जो acquirer है, when he is taking the assets and liabilities from the target company, उसका है ना, the liquidation, liquidators account will be made. Okay, to liquidation or liquidators of the transfer company, ऐसे करके liquidator आएगा इधर. For acquiring company, for the target company it will be realization account which will be made. In the acquiring company it will be liquidation account or liquidators will be there. Okay, so in the numerical journal entries of both the transfer and transferee दोनों का भी पूछ सकते हैं, or else only one can be asked. Okay, and one more thing, if it is asked journal entries in the books of transferee company, you know transferee means acquiring company. Okay, you know transferee means acquiring company. Okay, so journal entries in the books of acquiring company or open entries in the books of acquiring company. Acquiring company का कुछ भी नाम हो सकता है. Okay, Amazon Limited, Flipkart Limited. If it is told open entries, then it definitely means open entries. अभी open किधर हो रहा है? It is opening in acquiring companies books of account. ठीक है, because now new assets, new liabilities are coming in the journal. Okay, which is being recorded. So now we are opening up a new kind of account for the acquiring company. ठीक है, एक नया अकाउंट होता है. तो ओपनिंग एंट्रीज इन द बुक्स ऑफ वट एवर द नेम ऑफ एक्वायरिंग कंपनी इज देयर, इट इज रिटन. इसके लिए क्या होगा, इसके लिए it will be closing entries. ठीक है, because the company is the account is getting closed down, the company is getting closed down, and everything is getting transferred to the acquirer company. So target company का it is closing entries, acquiring company का it is open entries. ओके, तो ये दो डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, बाकी नथिंग मच इज देयर. You will also be preparing leisure and journal entries. Only these two things you need to do in this type of problem. ठीक है, लेजर का मैं इधर ही बताता हूँ प्रॉब्लम. सो आई होप एवरीवन जितने भी ज्वाइन किए और ज्वाइन नहीं हुए. So you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. हाँ, ठीक है, तो अभी आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट विद दिस. Okay, only remember 3-4 things in model 4 problems. In model 4 problems, okay. ठीक है, so generally balance sheet of the company which is what do you say, the target company, uska balance sheet it will be given in the question. Okay, so balance sheet of A Limited as on 31st March is given. Okay, if you don't understand which भूल गए अगर के बैलेंस शीट किसका दिया रहता है, तो you will get to know by this. It will be mentioned somewhere in the question that company B Limited has agreed to purchase company A. So from this you will definitely come to know which is the acquiring and which is the target company. Okay, company A is a so company A is our acquiring the target company. Okay, because company B has agreed to purchase company A. Company A is our target company. Company B is our acquiring company. Okay, and company B's balance sheet of company A will be given. Okay, the liabilities are there, assets are there. Okay, and one more thing it is written here: company B has agreed to purchase company A at this much to be paid in fully paid equity shares as rupees 10 each. Okay, this is very simple problem, so there is no much purchase consideration के ऊपर कुछ calculation नहीं है. ठीक है, this question is there are two companies A and B. Okay, A Limited is our target company, B Limited is our acquiring company. B Limited आके A Limited को it is getting purchased. Now, what is the value in which the B Limited is paying to A Limited? It is 6,61,500. It is a lump sum payment. Okay, एक साथ 6 lakhs दे दिया and company A को I am buying. So whatever the assets and liabilities are there of the target company will become the assets and liabilities of the acquiring company. ठीक है, then we need to actually prepare the necessary ledger account. Ledger account and also pass closing entries. So whenever it is said closing entries will be always journal entries of the target company. If it is told opening entries, then it will be journal entries of the acquiring company. ठीक है, टारगेट कंपनी क्लोज हो रहा है, क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज. Acquiring company में new account open हो रहा है because target company's assets and liabilities are coming in, so opening entries. You can remember anyhow if you want. This is the logic, but you can remember के जैसे भी याद रखना है. Okay, ledger account of this itself. ये जो transfer की है, this liabilities and assets which are getting transferred, that उसका ही ledger account बनेगा. Okay, so it will be a kind of a ledger account of target company itself when it is getting transferred. Okay, and opening and closing entries depends upon which company we are talking about. Closing entries is for the target company, opening entries is for the acquiring company. If you can remember this, okay, then the solving of sum will be very easy. इतना ही याद रखो बस. Then the all the sums are very much similar. Okay, in this we are only doing closing entries for today. Okay, the solution goes whenever you get this type of sum, the first thing which you need to make, okay, even if it is 99% it will be given, find out ledger or prepare ledger accounts, 99% it will be given. Even if it is not given, you will not take much time to prepare this. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आंख बंद करके फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू राइट इज अबाउट परचेज कंसिडरेशन. I'll not go there. Give me the hand wire. Okay, the first thing is you need to make purchase consideration. Purchase consideration, now here it is directly given कि 6 lakhs में खरीद रहा है. So there is no what do you say, segregation. So in fully paid equity shares, 6,61,500 rupees is the purchase consideration. ठीक है, तो total purchase consideration same. Sometimes it will be given equity shares in two different, or cash will be involved and preference shareholders will be involved. So many things, many people get involved. Okay, so in this nothing is given, only 6,61,500 is given. Okay, if any other thing is given, okay, in fully paid equity shares hai, then cash amount for every 10 shares they are giving maybe 100 rupees cash ऐसा करके, तो there will be again calculation here, इधर इसके नीचे आएगा, then total purchase consideration will be changed. Okay, so इसके लिए the format is I'm keeping it as it is. ठीक है, तो ऐसे I'm going to pay 6,61,500 and this will be discharged. This purchase consideration will be discharged to the equity shareholders. How much it will be discharged? In the lump sum, 6,61,000 itself. Okay. In the next sums, it may be discharged in the form of debentures, in the form of equity shares, in the form of cash, or in the form of preference dividend or something like that. So there can be various methods in which it can be discharged. Here it is straightforward. Okay, but maintain this kind of format. Okay, ये वन आएगा fully, जो भी इधर आएगा, cash आएगा, equity shares, then total purchase consideration, sum of the other, all the things of above, then how it will be discharged. Discharge कैसे करेंगे, payment कैसे करेंगे. Okay, that will become. ठीक है, this is the first step for all the sums of fourth module. Okay, next comes the realization account. Okay, ये भी 99% this will be there. नहीं, 100% this will be there, realization account. Am I audible, right? Because I got a call. I'm
Yes,
still
sir.
there in the meeting. Yeah, thank you. ठीक है, हाँ, realization account करके है. Realization account, irrespective of whatever kind of sum you are getting, if it is related to the preparation of journal entries, ledger, opening, closing books of account, ये सब कुछ भी है ना, the first thing you will be making after purchase consideration is realization account. Realization account is very simple to remember. Okay, just look at this. If you observe, all the assets which were there in the balance sheet of A Limited are coming here, this side, debit side. All the assets, to building, to plant and machinery, to stock, to debtors, to cash, to goodwill, जो भी रहेगा ना, all the assets will come here, and its amount, it's written here. ठीक है, आंख बंद करके you just write the assets over here in the debit. This means that this realization account is whatever the target company is realizing. मतलब ये assets को sell करके उनको पैसा मिल रहा है, something like that. Okay, they are realizing that amounts. So the assets which are there will come in the debit side because that is getting sold. Okay, they are not selling one by one, but it is written. It has been written in the accounts like that. Okay, so ये सब का actually पैसा मिलना चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से they are realizing this. So this is written on the debit side, all the assets. ठीक है, if और कुछ नहीं है, जो भी assets में है basically it will come here. Then in the liability side में the liabilities on the okay, on the shareholders जो है, okay, not on the company basically. शेयर होल्डर्स के लिए जो है, दैट मीन्स if I can go back and tell you. See, these are all the assets which I have written on the debit side. Liabilities इतने सारे. From this liability, this is actually we are paying to the shareholders. So shareholders को तो अलग से पैसा मिल गया 6,61,000. So this will not be considered. This 5 lakh will not be considered in the credit side. General reserve, we don't have to give it to anyone. Okay, this is the reserve. So this will also be not considered. P&L account 30,000. This is a kind of a profit which the company is getting. 30,000. So ये भी किसी को पैसा देना नहीं है. We don't have to give it to someone else. 30,000. What we have to give? We have debenture holders. Okay, we have creditors and provident fund. This actually the target company needs to pay to someone else. So these three will be written on the credit side of realization account. Okay, assets. और ये this we will take and here, ठीक है, creditors, debentures, creditors and employee PF. ठीक है, these three things I'm writing it here. Then to the shareholders I'm giving 6,61,000 as the purchase consideration. A PC stands for purchase consideration. So this much consideration I'm giving it. ठीक है, so ये भी इधर क्रेडिट साइड में आ जाएगा, वो भी इनकम है, राइट? ठीक है, इनकम जैसे हो गया शेयर होल्डर्स का. सो दिस इज 6,61,000 which are giving to the shareholders. Liabilities and whatever the shareholders are getting. Okay, the target company shareholders which are getting. B Limited is the target. Target company shareholders को जो दे रहे हैं, what we are giving. Okay, that we are writing it. We are writing it down. ठीक है, 6,61,500. ठीक है, so this is the amount we are giving. This is the liabilities. And the last part is ये जो है ना by equity shareholders account. This is just a balancing figure. Okay, so either you will calculate this, okay, minus all these things, then you will get 38,500. So this is the balance. So this is the realization account. For every sum you will be making this. Every fourth module sum you will be making this realization account. Okay, just remember the assets are getting transferred to the debit side. The liabilities which they are liable to pay, that is written in the credit side, and then shareholders ko how much they are paying. Okay, so that is written. So ye sab they are actually getting a kind of. So the debit side is actually they are getting, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग का इतने में मिल रहा है, प्लांट मशीनरी इतने में मिल रहा है, एंड देन दिस एक्चुअली दिस इज काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस. ये एक्सपेंस है 1 लाख दे रहे हैं, ये दे रहे हैं, ये सब ये भी दे रहे हैं, और फाइनली ये जो बच रहा है 38,500 एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग ये दे रहे हैं. सो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लॉस इफ इट इज रिटन हियर. ठीक है, ये तो तुमको पता ही है. Credit side में if it is balancing figure is there, it is loss. If it is there in the debit side, it is profit. Okay, so anyways, you don't need to remember that. 38,500 is the balancing figure. This is the first account. Okay, any doubts still here? Okay, okay. After realization account, I will take this B Limited, and I'll find out how the cash disbursement is being made. 6,61,000 कैसे जा रहा है आगे to the shareholders. ठीक है, by that I mean using this B Limited purchase consideration, I'll make an account, B Limited account. ठीक है, to realization account से by equity shares in B. ठीक है, from realization account the money has been in equity shares में जा रहा है, and from, ठीक है, then from equity shareholder in B, that account I'll make to B Limited से equity shareholders के पास में I'm giving 6,61,000. ठीक है, ये this is a kind of a repetition, but this is the format and you have to write it like this. Why? Because suppose realization account से equity shares में if something is going and maybe in the terms of cash it is going, ठीक है, कैश भी हो सकता है और प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स भी हो सकते हैं. So in that all these cases you will be you will be writing here, there will be segregation 6 lakhs इधर, फिर cash by इधर, फिर maybe preference shareholders का इधर. Okay, something like that it will be coming in the previous in the next sums. Okay, तो realization account से इधर आ रहा है. Then I'll make equity shareholders account इधर. So to be limited 6 lakhs equity shareholders को इतना मिलता है. That's it. Okay, there can be preference shareholders, so I'll make another account, preference shareholder in B account. So to be limited, then equity share, then by preference shareholders account as a separate money in the next sums if it comes. Okay, but this four things actually you need to make. One was realization account, second is B limited account. Okay, अपना B limited account, then equity shares of B limited. If cash is there, cash का account, preference है तो preference shares का account, whatever. And the last thing you need to make is equity shareholder account. I've written here equity shareholder account. ये इसका एक separate account इधर बनेगा. In equity shareholder account, you will be writing like this. To equity shares in B, पीछे से जो आया 6,61,500. Okay, by equity share capital, general reserve, and ये. This is actually we have not मतलब इसको अभी तक हम लोग ने reflect नहीं किया था कि equity share capital from the balance sheet I'm getting, general reserve from the balance sheet I'm getting, P&L from this much. So actually the shareholders should get this much. ठीक है, उनको इतना नहीं मिल रहा है. They have the capital, the general reserve भी है कंपनी में, and profit भी है कंपनी में 30,000 का. So they should actually get this much amount, but instead they are getting 6,61,500. So to again a balancing figure, this is a kind of a loss. Okay. Again, इधर भी logic क्या है loss का, because they should have got this much amount, 7 lakhs, but they are getting 6,61,000. So they are facing a loss of 38,500. जो target company shareholders है, they are actually having a loss like this. So according to the balance sheet, they are worth of 7 lakhs, but they are getting 6,61. So again, a balancing figure, and we balanced it out. Okay. These are the mainly four important ledger accounts is there in this kind of sum. First, realization account. The assets will be coming to debit side, liabilities coming to the credit side, and the purchase consideration, the amount which the target company's shareholders will be getting is this much. And if there is a balancing figure here, or it may be here. Okay, so इधर भी आएगा. So this thing is there in realization account. Then you need to make a B limited account, in which from realization how the money is getting disbursed to equity shareholders, to preference, to cash, whatever it is. Okay, then you need to make separate accounts for each and everything which is coming here. If it is equity shareholders, equity shareholder account banao. Okay. Then if it is preference shares in B limited account, you will buy preference shareholder account. ये इधर आएगा. Same. If it is cash, you need to make separate account for cash in B limited account. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Then finally you need to make this equity shareholder account. If preference share है तो preference shareholder account भी separately you need to make. ठीक है, in this you need to write basically from the liability side of the balance sheet you will get. ठीक है, this is not the liability actually, but this is the money which the equity the target company shareholders have earned. Okay, they have put 5 lakh in the company. Okay, the amount which they have put in the company, 1,70,000 is the reserve in cash or in any amount which is there in the company. P&L is the profit they have earned in the company. So this is actually the worth of the company. And this money they should have got, the equity shareholder of the target company, but mila itna. So that is the loss, which is again a balancing figure. Okay, so this is what we have got. ये है ना, this is almost same in all the kinds of sum in fourth module. Okay, till now. ठीक है, अभी कुछ डाउट है इसमें? No? ठीक. So this is there for all the sums. Now I'm going to start the closing entries of target company. ठीक है, target company बंद हो रहा है. Now I'm making closing entries in the books. ठीक है, journal का closing entries I'm going to start. Okay, you can use no, you will use all the entries which we have did here, starting from realization account. मैंने एक मतलब मेरा सीक्वेंस है वो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि सभी ऐसे ही फॉलो करें, बट आई हैव मेड द सीक्वेंस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस लायबिलिटी साइड से जो भी आ रहा है ना, फॉर एवरी वन आई एम मेकिंग अ जर्नल एंट्री. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता हूँ, देन आई विल गो हियर. ठीक है, इफ यू डू दिस यू विल कंप्लीट ऑल द जर्नल एंट्रीज. ठीक है, सो यू कैन फॉलो एनीथिंग. ठीक है, जस्ट मेक श्योर ऑल द एंट्रीज आर डन. ठीक है, इसमें उल्टा है, पहले लेजर बना रहे फिर जर्नल बना रहे, बट ठीक है, बट यही दिस इज द फॉर्मेट. ओके, डोंट चेंज इट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंट्री is from the debentures, from the credit, from the debit side of the realization account, which I have told. Okay, so debentures 12%. This is just the copy paste of the kind of a ledger. Okay, debentures, creditors, and employee PO. Okay, to realization account 1,65,000. Okay, if you cannot see, just it is just the repetition of the previous one. The next one is again from the debit side of realization account itself. B Limited debited this much amount to realization account this much. Okay, now I have completed the debit side. Balancing figure, balancing figure is also there. Yeah, equity shareholder account debit to realization account credit. Okay, I have not written the comments here. What is it? कुछ तो बोलते हैं, मेरे को याद नहीं रहा. बीइंग
नरेशन.
Narration.
हाँ, नरेशन. या सॉरी, उतना अकाउंट्स नहीं पढ़ा था ना. नरेशन सब लिखा नहीं. यू कैन राइट इट, यू नो हाउ टू राइट इट, राइट? तो इधर लिख दो, इधर फिट नहीं हो रहा था इसमें स्लाइड्स में. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट नरेशन, ये सब ट्रांसफर टू रिलेशन अकाउंट ऐसे करके. ओके, तो ये दीज 3 थिंग्स आई हैव डन. ठीक है, जाके so debentures, creditors, PF, ठीक है, in one, and then B Limited, then equity shareholders. I have completed this side. Then I'm moving to this one. Okay. Then the fourth one is realization account debit to all this. Realization account debit this much to all the assets which was there. ठीक है, 4 भी हो गया. देन दिस कंप्लीट्स द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट का एंट्रीज. रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट में इतना ही था, सब एंट्रीज कर दिया. नाउ आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट लेजर्स व्हिच वाज देयर, बी लिमिटेड एंड द शेयर्स ऑफ बी लिमिटेड, देन द शेयर होल्डर ऑफ बी लिमिटेड. वहाँ से आई विल बी टेकिंग. ओके, सो ये फर्स्ट वाला था शेयर्स, इक्विटी शेयर्स. ठीक है, इक्विटी शेयर्स this much debited to B Limited. This is from the second ledger entry which I'm taking. Okay, ये हो गया. Then shareholders, third ledger entry से equity shareholders debited this much to equity shares in B. Okay, if again preference shares holder आ गया तो preference shares debited this much to preference shares in B Limited, इधर आ जाएगा. Okay, और if प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स है तो इक्विटी शेयर्स दिस मच, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स अगेन इधर कुछ तो, और कैश है तो कैश इधर नीचे टू बी लिमिटेड वट एवर द सम ऑफ द 3 आर देयर. ठीक है, देन द लास्ट एंट्री विच वाज देयर, वो लास्ट वाला टेबल, लास्ट वाला लेजर से दिस इज दिस इक्विटी शेयर 5 lakh, general reserve 1 lakh, then profit this to equity shareholder account 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. That's it. इतना ही है इसमें. Okay, if you can make the ledgers properly, entries be, you have studied accounts, so you don't you'll not be having much problem writing the entries and the ledgers. Okay, just know what needs to be written. Okay, in all the types of sums, for the first thing you need to find out, just kind of a revision I'll do. I'll do a small revision. If you have doubt, you can stop me. Okay, this was the sum in which the balance sheet of the target company will be given. Okay, sometimes both balance sheet will be given, target company or acquiring company, but both rare hai. That balance sheet is not much required for us. The balance sheet of target company is very important. ठीक है, so by this you can understand कि balance sheet दिया है तो the this is the target company, or else it will be specifically mentioned. Okay, company B has agreed to purchase company A. ठीक है, so this is how you will come to know target कौन सा है and acquiring कौन सा है. Then sometimes it will be given directly like in this sum, or we will see in the next class how different can be given. Okay, in this it is directly given 6,61,000 fully paid to the equity shares at 10 rupees each. So 10 rupees ka hi hai apna shares, 10 rupees. So there is no changes in this. Now you need to prepare ledger, okay, ledger account, and also pass closing entries. Okay, you need to remember closing entries will be always for target company, opening entries will be for the acquiring company if it is asked. So if it is closing entries, so target company ka closing books of account, journal entries in the books of account of target company banana hai. ठीक है. Now in the solution, the first thing you need to find out the purchase consideration. It is directly given, disbursement भी directly हो रहा है, तो no calculation is there in this. Okay, directly 6,61,500. The next part, in 99% of the sums, realization account you need to make. In this realization account, all the assets will be transferred to here, transferred as in written in the debit side. Okay, the liabilities which the company is liable to pay is written here. Okay, then the target company के जो shareholders हैं, for them how much we are paying this much. So we are paying to debentures as well. So we are paying to debentures as well, debenture holder as well, creditors, PF, and then to the target company shareholders. Okay, and then finally this is the balancing figure. Okay. Next is, give me 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So, yeah, the classmates came. ठीक है, realization account हो गया. फिर from that, how the disbursement of money will be there, that we will see in the next ledgers. So B limited account will make from realization account, say इधर आ रहा है equity shares, then equity share in B limited account will make. So from B limited it is going to equity shareholder account, and then from equity shareholder account, equity shareholder account कहाँ से कैसे जा रहा है. Okay, so 5 lakh, 1 lakh, and this it is from the top side of the liability. Okay, means this is the worth of the worth which the shareholder should have got. They have got this much, so it is a loss. If it is a profit, it will come here. Okay, by realization account करके इधर लिखेंगे. If it is profit, then the same thing you will pass on to the closing entries in the books. So my technique is I start from the realization account, debit side, credit side. Okay, so for all this was the credit side of the realization account. From there I am starting. This is one kind of a one batch. ठीक है, ये सब जो liabilities है actually, so इसको I have written it once. Then to B limited account लिखा है, from to realization again equity shareholder account, which was the balancing or the loss figure. This, so I have completed the liability, the credit side of the realization account. Now I go to the debit side. इसमें realization account to all the assets which were there. Then from the remaining ledgers, I'll make one account, equity shares, shareholders to equity shareholder. Like this, the last ledger. Okay, this is how a closing entry will be there. Opening entry I'll not do today. I'll do in the next class. I need to take it. I'll do a separate sum for that. Okay. Okay. Opening entry is also not that difficult. उसमें सिर्फ liquidator will come. इसमें realization account है ना. उसमें just liquidator will come and the remaining will be nothing. Will be very much similar. Okay. Any doubts here? ठीक है. ठीक है. Then tomorrow also I have a session in which I'll be doing a similar kind of sum, in which tomorrow I'll be doing closing and opening दोनों भी entries, and along with certain calculation of purchase consideration also. ठीक है. So as of now you can ठीक है, ये मैं share भी कर देता हूँ PPT that you can refer as well. Okay. So shall we call off? Because I don't have time to do another sum. ठीक है. I'll share this PPT and you can refer it. Okay. चलो. Thank you.